You will be amazed by this 2009 Toyota Sienna. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 150,000 miles on the odometer. This Toyota Sienna has the features your family needs to make the most of every road trip. Safe, powerful, smooth, and quiet. It's a calm oasis in your busy life. Navigate the highways and byways in confidence, while the latest infotainment tech and creature comforts keep your passengers relaxed, connected, and entertained. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: power liftgate, electronic stability control, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Treat yourself to a test drive in this smart and stunning Sienna. Our friendly and knowledgeable staff will tailor your experience to meet your unique needs.